my soul and walked in. I realized love. Look at me, I stand at the door. I knock. If you hear me, let me in, or walk in and supper with you. The calling is asking us to open the door so we can let go of self-hatred and the perceptions that led us to think of ourselves in ways that are less than who we truly are, the love that we are. Self-hatred is the result of controlling pattern. As we come to ourselves and we realize Christ within, we can surrender and transform the perception of self-hatred to willingness to walk towards the calling, to answer the call, open the door and allow God in. From self-hatred, we can shift and move towards doubt, and from there, we can surrender all the limiting beliefs to one knowing, the knowing that is God, and allow ourselves to realize the love that is us. God bless you.